Come closer. I have a secret to tell you.
What if I told you these videos were made using just one AI tool and a single prompt? No image-to-video steps, no voiceovers, no complex workflow. Just a few clicks, and a full movie is created. So let's get started. First, you need to paste this prompt into ChatGPT. I've asked it to create a sci-fi story, but you can choose any genre you like. After that, we'll paste the prompt into Higs Field. Under the Kling AI 2.6 version, you'll find the link in the description. Here, you'll see several options, like enhancing the prompt, turning audio on or off. Just make sure Kling 2.6 is selected. Next, choose the duration and aspect ratio according to your needs. Then click Generate. I selected 16:9 because I'm creating a long-form YouTube video. Within a few seconds, your first scene will be generated. I created only 3 scenes because I didn't want to make this tutorial too long. For the second scene, simply copy the prompt again and paste it into the prompt box. You can also upload a reference image here if you want. Again, make sure Kling 2.6 is selected, choose the duration and aspect ratio, and generate your second video. We'll do the same thing for the third scene. Field offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generation for everyone who subscribes to Creator Plan. Once the videos are generated, download them. Before editing, let's quickly explore the Higs Field platform, which offers unlimited features, from image generation to face swap and commercial video creation. The best part is that Higs Field is currently available at an offer price, with the basic plan starting at $9. You'll find the link in the description, so please check it out. Now, let's move on to editing. I'm using Filmora, but you can use any editing software. Just place the videos on the timeline, increase the volume if needed, add a simple transition for smooth flow, and export the video. And that's it. Your video is ready. For more tutorials like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Before we learn to run, we learn to listen.
We built dugouts out of steel and asked them to save us.
From the ashes of noise, we remember who we are. Before we understood the universe, it whispered to us.
We reached for the stars and found silence staring back.
Then something answering.
They showed us what can't wait next. If we do nothing,
Spears. Spreads faster than truth.
and they'll break.
The world breaks.
From ashes comes a question.
Do we end D10 or evolve?
Hope is not found, it is chosen.
and we choose to rise. The future is no longer ahead of us.
It lives within us.
These are the bomb!
Actually, Jimmy, it's just basic ingredients.
Feastables, you are an artist!
They are better than Hershey's.
It's bigger than anything I've ever seen.
And winter is coming. L'hiver arrive. Se acerca el invierno. Der Winter kommt.
Dòng tiền giàu lái le.
सर्दी आ रही है.
These are the bomb!
Actually, Jimmy, it's just basic ingredients.
Feastables, you are an artist!
They are better than Hershey's.